I see two colored yellows. Two colored yellows. We must go find the yellow and catch the yellow. And then eat the yellow. Are they still there? There's three colored yellows. That means there's three elite things. We must hurry before we don't hurry. When we hurry, we won't hurry. It's something.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay,
Blizzard, no.
Eat the yellow.
Don't eat them.
I didn't
No.
realize my
No, you can't stop me. How are you going to stop me?
I
The
didn't
only thing that
realize-
can stop me is my self-will
Okay,
to
I'm
not eat them.
faster.
But I'm going to eat them in 5 bites, 2 bites. Is there still 5 of them? No, at least 3. One of them's an elephant. Even better. Wait a second. There's a problem with Wildcraft. Everyone knows snakes eat their food whole. So how come when eating it makes the snake chew? Snakes don't chew. They swallow their food whole. What is wrong with Wildcraft? Can the snake carry food? No, the snake can't carry food. It's one of the few animals that can't carry food.
I can't. Wildcraft logic.
Well, that's because you're not a snake.
Wildcraft logic.
I'm just honest, I'd rather be the snake than the alligator, because the alligator is super duper slow.
Okay, who else would beat the tiger? It was sloth posing. Okay, I gotta stop recording, guys.